everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of beet juice benefits. You won't believe how this vibrant and delicious drink can transform your health and wellness. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our exciting content. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Did you know that scientific studies have shown that beet juice can work wonders for your health? The secret lies in its rich nitrate content, which gets converted to nitric oxide in the body. Beet juice benefits. Beyond its positive impact on blood pressure, beet juice offers an array of incredible benefits. Thanks to its low-calorie content and high fiber levels, beet juice keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing cravings and unnecessary snacking. Beet juice for weight loss. Struggling with weight loss? Look no further than beet juice. This nutritious beverage can be an essential addition to your weight management plan. Its high fiber content keeps you feeling full, reducing your overall calorie intake. Moreover, the nitrates in beet juice boost your endurance during workouts, allowing you to burn more calories and fat. So, whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, beet juice is your ally in the battle against the bulge. There you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of beet juice for your health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on exciting content like this. And as always, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried beet juice? And what benefits have you experienced? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.